Book of Heaven, Volume 12, September 2nd, 1920. The martyrdom of love and of pain for Jesus because of the lack of company of the creature. I live amid almost continuous privations. At the most, my sweet Jesus makes himself seen and escapes me like a flash. Only Jesus knows the martyrdom of my poor heart. Now I was thinking about the love with which he suffered so much for us, and my always lovable Jesus told me,
"My daughter, my first martyrdom was love, and love gave birth for me to my second martyrdom, pain. Each pain was preceded by immense seas of love. But when love saw itself alone, abandoned by the majority of creatures, I raved, I agonized, and since my love could find no one to whom to give itself, it concentrated within me, drowning me and giving me such pains, that all other pains seemed to me a refreshment compared to these. If I had company in love, I would feel happy, because with company all things acquire happiness. They diffuse, they multiply. Love, close to another love, is happy, be it even a small love, because it finds one to whom to give itself, one to whom to make itself known, one to whom it can give life with its own love. But when it is close to one who does not love it, who despises it, who does not care about it, it is quite unhappy, because it does not find the way to communicate itself and to give him life. Beauty close to ugliness feels dishonored, and it seems that they shun each other, because what is beautiful hates ugliness, and ugliness feels uglier close to beauty. But what is beautiful, close to another beautiful, is happy, and they communicate their beauty to each other. The same for all other things. What good is it for a teacher to be learned, to have studied so much, if he finds no pupil to whom to teach? Oh, how unhappy he is, not finding anyone to whom to teach so much doctrine. What good is it for a doctor to have comprehended the art of medicine, if no sick person calls him to display his ability? What good is it for a rich person to be rich, if no one approaches him, and as he remains alone in spite of his riches, not finding the way to make them known and to communicate them to someone, this one will probably die of starvation. Only company is what makes everyone happy. It allows good to be carried out. It makes it grow. Isolation makes everything unhappy and sterile. My daughter, oh how my love suffers this isolation, and those few who keep me company form my refreshment and my happiness.
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.